What's the meaning of a rake's progress? A rake's progress. A rake's progress.
A rake's progress. A rake's progress. A Rake's Progress is a series of 8 paintings by English artist William Hogarth, created in the 18th century. The paintings depict the story of Tom Rakewell, a young man who inherits a fortune and descends into a life of extravagance and debauchery. As the story unfolds, Tom's life spirals out of control and he eventually ends up in a debtor's prison. The paintings are a commentary on the dangers of greed, hedonism, and moral laxity, and have come to symbolize the decline and downfall of a morally bankrupt individual.